Cristiano Ronaldo is building his dream mansion in Jumeirah Bay Island called Dubai's Billionaires Neighborhood. Neymar Jr., 200 million dirham sky-touching penthouse in the world's first Bugatti residences. What if I told you the world's most futuristic city?
We had nothing. No water, no electricity. We are living in a fishing village on basic existence. Half of the inhabitants lived in tents, including our family.
Today, Dubai officially opened the world's tallest skyscraper.
Did not build his fortune on oil. That this skyline of glass, mega malls, artificial islands, and a lifestyle dripping with luxury wasn't paid for by black gold. Because here is the surprise. Today oil makes just 1% of Dubai's GDP. And while all of India drew 9.2 million foreign tourists last year, Dubai welcomed staggering 17 million. So what is the real secret behind Dubai's unstoppable rise? Why do global businesses, creators, investors and families keep setting their sights again and again on Dubai over any other city in the region? Let's unravel the story. Hey, I am Rahul. Welcome back to Dubai with Rahul. Today we are cracking the code behind how this desert city became a global economic legend and what lessons India and the world can borrow from its journey. Let's dive in. Dubai didn't strike it rich, it built it. Let's rewind to 1960s. Back then, Dubai was barely more than just a humble fishing village. No skylines, no highways, not even a basic infrastructure. Then the oil was discovered. Yet, unlike Abu Dhabi, vast reserves of 92 billion barrels of oil, Dubai found only modest 4 billion of oil. And here is where vision changed everything. Sheikh Rashid, Dubai ruler, told his people, "We have struck oil, but not much. This won't last." No wild celebration, instead a plan. Oil was never the end game. It was just the first chapter. So Dubai invested that small fortune to lay the foundation of something far bigger than oil. Geography is Dubai's superpower. Dubai's next big edge. Its unbeatable location, strategically positioned at the crossroad of Asia, Europe and Africa. Over 2 billion people live within just 4 hours of flying distance. Dubai spotted this gold mine and built Jebel Ali Port, today one of the world's top 10 ports. It handles 10% of world's container traffic and boosts cutting-edge cold storage and logistics facilities. That single port now powers 7% of Dubai's entire GDP. A desert outpost transformed into a global logistic nerve, growing its wealth by connecting continents, not drilling more oil. Now the free zone, the master stroke. Then came Dubai's boldest move, free zones. Think of these as a high-powered ecosystem, custom built for businesses, where you get 100% foreign ownership, zero import-export duties, complete capital repatriation, and until recently, zero corporate or personal tax. While most countries were tightening rules on foreign investors, Dubai flung its door open. Build here, grow here, and take home all the rewards you have made. The result, stampede of global giants like Google, Amazon, Nestle, HSBC, logistic leaders, crypto platform, fintech unicorns, plus ambitious startups from 200 nationalities. Suddenly, Dubai wasn't just attracting capital, it was attracting world best minds. And when changemakers gather in one place, you get innovation, hyper growth, and a mindset that does not settle. But here is what changed. As of 2023, businesses making over 375,000 dirhams, which is equal to 102,000 US dollars per year, pays 9% of federal corporate tax. Earning below that remains untaxed. And yes, the tax framework will likely keep evolving. But here is the twist. Dubai residents aren't complaining. Why? Because even with these changes, there is still no personal tax. The corporate tax is still among the lowest in the world. Every dirham paid goes back to world-class infrastructure, safety, healthcare, and opportunity. Unlike high-tax countries where you pay more and get less, Dubai is building a future where success is rewarded, not penalized. So yes, the rules are evolving, but the message remains same. This is a land of opportunity. With us, you build and grow beyond limits. Here is what really put Dubai on the map: tourism. Dubai had no natural wonders, no mountains, no forests, no lakes. So they created their own icons. Burj Khalifa scratching the sky, Palm Jumeirah reinventing coastlines, the Dubai Mall redefining shopping, indoor skiing in a desert, theme parks, world-class aquarium, thrilling desert safari, the list goes on and on. But the genius wasn't just building in a world-class inspiring attractions. Dubai actually marketed these experiences. It didn't just sell vacation, it sold dreams. Luxury, experience it here. Adventure, doors are open. High life, Dubai welcomes you. That's how a city smaller than Delhi managed to draw more international tourists than all of India. Now come real estate, turning visitors into permanent residents. Tourists came for Burj Khalifa views, but they stayed for the dream life unfolding beneath it. Dubai seized the moment and flipped the real estate playbook for the world. Freehold property rights for foreigners, rare in the region. Zero annual property tax. 10-year golden visa for investors, entrepreneurs and professionals. World-class developments in record time, from Palm Jumeirah villas to skyline-defining penthouses. The message to the world was very clear. This place isn't just a place to visit, this is a place to belong. And the world responded. In 2023, Dubai real estate transaction hit 634 billion, an all-time high across, with 166,000 deals. Foreign investors from India, UK, Russia, China, Germany led the charge. It wasn't just investors. Global icons began calling Dubai as their home. Cristiano Ronaldo is building his dream mansion in Jumeirah Bay Island called Dubai's Billionaires Neighborhood. Neymar Jr., 200 million dirham sky-touching penthouse in the world's first Bugatti residences. Shah Rukh Khan, iconic signature villa on the Palm Jumeirah. Madonna, David Beckham, Mohammed Hadid, the list keeps growing and growing. From celebrities to CEOs, Dubai became the world's ultimate plan A, because here real estate doesn't just appreciate, it elevates lives. Now stability is the real magnet for Dubai and UAE. Amidst all the glitters what you see, one force that powers Dubai's unstoppable rise is stability. In the world full of volatility, Dubai offers one of the lowest crime rates globally. Crime has come down to 15% since 2018. Swift legal system defending businesses and personal rights. Political neutrality, a rare island of peace in turbulent region. Robust banking and crypto-friendly regulations attracting digital entrepreneurs. And this isn't just perception. Over 50,000 millionaires are projected to move to UAE by 2030, making it the #1 global hotspot for wealth migration ahead of US, UK and Singapore. Today's investors don't just want returns, they want security, clarity and long-term peace of mind. In Dubai, they find all three, along with sunshine, success and the skyline of their dreams. What India and you can learn. So what can India and you draw from this Dubai's playbook? Vision outweigh resources. Dubai lacked oil riches, but not imagination. Diversify early. Don't let one sector define your future. Dubai shifted from oil to trade to tourism and now to tech. Market your strengths. India has breathtaking landscapes and culture, but until it tells the world, it remains a secret. Build trust and ease. When systems are transparent and secure, people bring their own money, time and ambition. So the next time when someone says Dubai was built on oil, you will know the real story. Dubai was built on vision, discipline and the courage to do things differently. So if you are an investor, entrepreneur or simply dreaming of building your future here, I am here to help you navigate Dubai opportunities, whether it's setting up your businesses, finding the right property or unlocking investment insights. Like, share and subscribe for more stories and reach out to me if you are ready to take your next step in Dubai. I am Rahul and this was Dubai with Rahul. See you in the next adventure.